agriculture is one of the top industries in Pennsylvania, but it's also one of the most dangerous to work in. Whether visiting, living, or working on a farm, there are many ways to be a little safer around equipment. Before starting your equipment, inspect your machine to make sure it's in good condition. If unsure of something, read the owner's manual and get some training before heading to the fields. While we all want to look sexy on our tractors, safety should come before style. Don't wear baggy clothing and watch that footwear. Farming calls for closed-toed shoes. Oh, and those safety shields, never remove them. But you can remove spectators. Keep onlookers away from heavy farm machinery to avoid preventable injuries, and never carry passengers on your equipment. Last piece of advice? That's right, buckle up. Now that you have farm equipment safety mastered, go get that farmer's tan.